Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being blurry on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Indeed job search and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem.